Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, Understanding Formulas and Functions. The most powerful feature of Excel is its ability to do calculation fast and accurately. To make calculation work, we require a formula which has a reference of the cell address. Now student, cell address means what? How you recognize cell address? Cell address is a combination of a letter and a number that specifies the column and a row in which a cell is located on a spreadsheet. Now students, suppose A1, you have to say A1 means students, A is your column and 1 is your row. A is your letter and 1 is your number. The formula. A formula may consist of operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, cell addresses or values. It starts with an equal to sign. Now student, remember, formula start with the equal to sign. For example, if we have to find the sum of two numbers, sum means total. What we do? First, enter the number. Type the number 90 in A1 cell. Enter the number to be added, for example, 10 in A2 cell. And then we can write down in A3 9 equal to 90 plus 10. Now student, press the enter key. Immediately the result 100 is displayed in the A3 cell. In this example, we have used numbers, but it is preferable to use a formula with a cell address. Students, in first example, for some purpose, we can use the numbers. Now, we can use a formula with a cell address. Suppose I want to calculate the total marks of yours. Okay, then what I'll do? Enter the number 65 in B2 cell. Okay, enter the number 56 in C2 cell. Enter the number 78 in D2 cell. Enter the number 65 in E2 cell and enter the number 78 in F2 cell. Means student, whatever marks you got in your exam, I can write down. English, Marathi, Hindi, Maths, Science. Okay. Now student, first we start the formula. What we have to do? We have to write down the equal to sign. Okay. Then we start equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. Okay, till F. Science is my F, last one cell. Okay, and in my G is the total. Okay, so in the G2 I can write down the formula equal to B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2 and then press the enter key. The total is displayed in the same cell G2. The advantage of using a formula is that it can be applied for many more calculation. For example, the total of all the children's. It can be easy. Suppose Rajesh total we get. Now we have to find out Suruchi's total. Then what we do? Click on the black box at the bottom corner of the result cell G2. A plus sign appears. Drag it to the next cell G3. Automatically, Suruchi's total will be calculated and displayed. No need to type formula again and again. Continue in the same way, dragging the plus sign down each time till all the calculations are done in G column. Now student, look at the formula bar. You will notice that the formula has been automatically displayed here. This happens whenever you click on a cell with a formula, the cell shows the result, while the formula bar shows you the formula. how to copy and paste the formula. Okay. First thing what you have to do, student, first you have to find out the Rajesh total. Okay. Use the formula equal to B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3. Okay. Once we get the total, okay, now select the cell G3. Then click on the Home tab and choose Copy option. Now, where you want this total? In G9 cell, suppose. Okay. Then click on the cell G9. Means select the cell G9 and then click on the again Home tab and choose the Paste option. The formula is copied. Repeat the above step to apply the same formula to the other cells. Now students, we learn functions. A function is a predefined formula. Predefined means decided or set for performing a particular task. Excel provides many such functions to make our work easy. Some of the functions are described here. First one, sum. Format is equal to sum, left bracket, starting cell, colon, ending cell, and close with the right bracket. Now student, first this function adds all the numbers stored in the selected cells. Means students, previously in the formula what we have to do, we can write down equal to sign, then B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2. But in the function right now we have to no need to write all these things. Only we have to write down starting cell is our B2 and ending cell is our F2. Okay. Now equal to sign, then we have to write down SUM sum, then left bracket, then we have to write down starting cell B2 colon ending cell F2 and then close the right bracket and then press the enter key to get the result. AutoSum. The AutoSum button automatically calculates the sum of the numbers. Now students, the AutoSum button is available in two locations on the Excel ribbon. Home tab, Editing group, AutoSum, and second, Formulas tab, Function Library group, AutoSum. How to use AutoSum in Excel? Whenever you need to sum a single range of cells, whether a column or row, you can have Excel AutoSum to automatically make an appropriate sum formula for you. To use AutoSum in Excel, just follow 3 easy steps. Select a cell next to the numbers you want to sum. To sum a column, select the cell immediately below the last value in the column. And to sum a row, select the cell to the right of the last number in the row. Now student, click the AutoSum button on either from the Home tab or Formulas tab. A sum formula appears in the selected cell and the range of cells you are adding gets highlighted. Example B2 colon B6 in this example. Now students, press the enter key to complete the formula. Now you can see the calculated total in the cell and the sum formula in the formula bar. Thank you.